Greetings! I have great news for you. Ethereal has just announced the USDe Airdrop Checker. I know that many of you, just like me, have invested in USDe staking on their platform, and now we can finally check if we qualify for the rewards. And the best part? Even if you've only interacted with the Athena platform, you still have a chance to grab your share. The market is extremely volatile right now, and I'm sure this airdrop will help many of us recover losses and even turn a profit. Honestly, I think this is the best airdrop of the year. Let's check how much we can get. Let's get straight to the point. Total airdrop pool, 150 million USD. This is a massive amount. If you participated in staking or even just used Athena, you definitely need to check your eligibility. Now, let's go step by step on how to do it. Head over to the Ethereal Airdrop website. As always, I've left all the links in the description below the video and in the pinned comment. Enter your active wallet address and check your eligibility. And now, the moment of truth. As you can see, I qualify for this long-awaited airdrop, and the amount is absolutely mind-blowing. Guys, these are some serious numbers. Next, follow the standard procedures to claim the airdrop. Connect the required wallet. Confirm the token claim contract. Wait a bit for the tokens to be credited. It's all super simple, and I'm sure you're already familiar with the process. Let's be honest, airdrops like this are extremely rare. Especially for those who staked USDe, this is a well-deserved reward for trusting the project. And if you had USDe staked, this airdrop is a real gift. It's not just about getting free tokens, it's a real chance to strengthen your portfolio and improve your financial position. That's it, the tokens are now in my wallet. This is truly the biggest airdrop of the year. Don't wait. Check your eligibility right now and comment below on how much you received. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I have even more breakdowns of the best crypto earning opportunities coming up. See you in the next video, wishing you all profits.
Dodgy.